Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters.
Good morning po.
Make a name, deny yourself. These two expressions come so strong with the readings we all heard today. Two realities that our life on earth faces. Sa madami pong pamamaraan, madami ang tumatawag na maging tanyag tayo. Magpasikat, magpakilala sa mundo, gumawa ng anumang mga bagay, maging public person, etc. And to many ways, how a person is invited to make a name. But to follow the Lord would not mean or would not be about making a name. At large, it is always denying ourselves. It is not to brag, me, myself, and I. It is even more setting aside me, myself, and I. This was the downfall of the people or the descendants of Noah in our first reading today. They've made the Tower of Babel so that this will be a symbol of eminence para daw makita ito ng buong mundo and even for them to make a name. Pero nahuli po sila ng Panginoon doon. That is why God confused their language. God corrected their selfishness. God knew the bad intentions they all bore with them. It is precisely the invitation of the Lord, not to make a name, but to deny ourselves. It is a big temptation for me to use my priesthood so that I can be a trendsetter in this life. A person can make use of a certain project so that a certain project or propaganda so that he can be known by all. We have a lot of ways so that we can make a name and make ourselves known. Pero hindi naman po sa patanyagan ng pangalan ang buhay natin. Nasa patuloy pong itong pag-aalay ng sarili. It is not about making a name. It is about denying ourselves. And when the I is set aside, when the me is set aside, when the myself is set aside, we see how others will be happy and how others and all of us can freely serve the Lord. A minute or two for a casual conversation is denying ourselves. When even a cent is valuable to us, is shared, that is denying ourselves. The very fact that you hear Mass, we all celebrate the Mass this morning, instead of sleeping and resting soundly, is denying ourselves. Wala tayong tinatanyag dito. Nag-aalay lang tayo ng ating sarili para maging masaya at buhay ang iba. We do not make a name, we deny ourselves. It is not hating ourselves, but Jesus hates selfishness and bragging much. We set aside ourselves, deny ourselves, carry our daily cross, and follow the Lord. And we will see how others will live and how others will be blessed.